Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Echodyne and Moog demonstrate reconfigurable weapon platform for counter-drone missions at US Army exercise. Echodyne and Moog have demonstrated an integrated counter-unmanned aerial systems capability using Moog's reconfigurable integrated weapon platform and Echodyne's EchoShield radar during a US Army exercise. The test showed how advanced radar, control systems and artificial intelligence can upgrade existing kinetic weapon stations for counter-drone missions. The Operation Condor Rebirth demonstration was conducted at Fort Hood, Texas, in late March. The team included Moog for RIUP reconfigurable integrated weapons platform and AI targeting, Echodyne for EchoShield radar, and PicoGrid for its Legion data platform for connected mission systems. The demonstration focused on rapid integration of new systems into a secure Army network and validation against simulated threats in live-fire scenarios. The companies said the system detected, locked on with precision tracking and successfully engaged Group 1 to 3 UAS unmanned aircraft systems or unmanned aerial systems threats in less than 3 seconds. The test combined AI targeting, wireless fire control and radar integration across mission equipment capabilities. It also assessed AI-based passive detection, autonomous targeting, track reacquisition, and multi-object targeting. According to the companies, the exercise identified and quickly corrected critical capability gaps in a simulated battlefield environment. It also showed that combining precision data with AI firing solution computation can provide a cost-effective way to convert existing kinetic weapon stations into counter-UAS unmanned aircraft systems or unmanned aerial systems. Moog's modular weapon platform included an edge computer, Echodyne's EchoShield radar for precision tracking and cabling to integrate with existing US Army turreted weapon stations. The AI targeting system was designed to enhance counter-UAS detection and tracking for turreted weapons. EchoShield is a commercial off-the-shelf medium-range radar designed to generate precise location data for multiple drone types and configurations. Echodyne said its standard interfaces and data options support optical sensor queuing, effector coordination and faster reaction times. The radar also includes classification capabilities based on machine learning models. The system is intended to track movement and direct operator or system attention to relevant threats. Echodyne is proud to continue supporting Moog's advanced CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems or unmanned aerial systems and air defense capabilities as a trusted partner and collaborator, said Eben Frankenberg, Echodyne CEO. By combining high-quality radar sensors and rapid integration of data, it is possible to deliver impressive CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system capabilities from existing battlefield systems, affordably and more quickly than using purpose-built systems, Frankenberg added. This is a critical moment to rapidly strengthen CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system defenses and protect warfighters against evolving threats, said Mike Groover, Moog SVP Defense. Working with teammates like Echodyne ensures the best forms of CUAS capabilities are available to the US and its allies. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.